Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you a web developer who will create responsive website designed for your business, any type of business. He will create mobile responsive WordPress website designed for your business. You already seeing a homepage. He is a Fiverr seller. His name is Adil Rahman. He is a WordPress developer. He have 1600 plus reviews on his gig, and he have 4.9 rating and very trusted 4.8 48 order in queue, already running 48 order is running already. He is a very trustable and very professional, so that's why he have so many order already running and 1600 plus review he have. He is a WordPress developer, website developer. He already creates so many website for his client. We can check in there. So he is a WordPress website designer. He have so many portfolio on his gig. He create so many website for his client. This is a website for he create for his client, and another one is client reviews he have. So many project he already done. He is a very professional, and you can see, and his client provide reviews. And also there is 2 weeks ago he give review. Yes, another one, he 2 weeks ago project complete this gig. So many project he have already on his gig. He create website for his client, so he is a very professional, I hope. So we will check his reviews and his package, how much for make a website. You want to create WordPress website for any business, your restaurant, your YouTube channel, or your anything. You have to need any website, you can create, you can take from him. So his basic price in $95, premium landing page, HD icons and graphics parallax effect optimized to generate leads. Only 2 days, he within 2 days, and unlimited revision. And a standard packet 195, 3-4 elegant page, responsive design, HD icon and graphics parallax effect, contact from and block, within 3 days delivery, unlimited revision. And premium price 375, 7 page plus e-commerce, responsive design, HD icon and graphics parallax effect issue, within 3 days delivery time within 3 days, and unlimited revision. He is a very professional. He create already so many website, landing page and website designing for his client. So you have to need a website for your business, you can take him from him. So we'll check his gig. He already last delivery 12 hours ago, and he from Pakistan. He have so many client. You can among client option, so many client he already have. He have so many portfolio in there, you can check. Yes, so first of all you have to contact with them. You can contact with them before placing order and discuss about your project. You can take suggestion from him. So this is so much easy for you. So he have so many review. You can check 5-star review $1595, 4-star review $56. So 1605 review and he have, and total 4.9 rating he have. So many or reviews he have already. So I hope you understanding. He is a very professional for your WordPress website. You can take service from him. So that's why I suggest you can take service from him. He is a very professional WordPress developer. He mobile responsive WordPress website designed for your business. So I will add this link on my description. You can contact with them from here. If this video will help you, please like, share and subscribe our video. I will share every day your best experienced freelancer for your business. So thank you so much. Hope you are doing very well.